live from KWOLP. This is Julia Richardson, and I have with me Vivi Miller. Say hello, Vivi.
Hi.
Hello, that was great. That was beautiful. So we are having our trunk or treat this Saturday in the Midwest Aquatic Center parking lot. You've been to a trunk or treat, have you not?
I have been to it. It's really fun because we get all the candy.
Yes, yes, that is beautiful. And what was your favorite thing about trunk or treat last year?
It's that we got to wear costumes and got to go trick or treating. And my favorite is that the trunks look so spooky and kids' costumes really just were wow.
They were wow. Yes, yes, they are. So that trunk or treat is this Saturday, October 22nd from 1:30 to 3:30. And I have one more thing for you to say.